Technology is advancing rapidly, and AI is now part of our daily lives, answering questions, writing essays, even creating art. This raises a crucial question. Will AI ever replace our teachers, the Ustadhs who connect us to the Quran and Sunnah? Learning is more than information. It's about humanity, growth, and spiritual connection. Can a machine truly understand a student's struggles or offer the warmth of a sincere dua? An AI can provide facts, but it cannot offer the guidance, comfort, or inspiration that shapes our faith. The moments that transform us are deeply human, like a teacher's patience or a heartfelt story. The rise of AI doesn't mean the fall of the Ustadh. Instead, it highlights what only a human teacher can offer: wisdom, character, and spiritual guidance. Our challenge is to understand technology's limits and appreciate what it can never replace. The real value of a teacher is not just in what they know, but in how they nurture and inspire. As we embrace new tools, let's remember the irreplaceable role of the human guide. An Ustadh is far more than a source of facts. Our faith is a living path, not just information. The true role of the Ustadh is Tarbiyah, nurturing character and soul. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught by example, not just words. His companions learned through his actions, his mercy, and his humility. This legacy of mentorship is what makes the Ustadh unique. An AI can list virtues, but an Ustadh models them in real life. There's a spiritual connection, a chain of hearts, passed down through generations. Learning from a sincere teacher brings barakah, a blessing that no machine can transmit. Ustadhs know their students, understand their struggles, and offer tailored advice rooted in wisdom. This personal, empathetic guidance is beyond the reach of any algorithm. The art of wisdom comes from experience, empathy, and a living connection to Allah. That's what makes the Ustadh irreplaceable. Technology isn't the enemy. It's a tool that can empower our teachers. AI can handle repetitive tasks like creating quizzes or organizing materials, freeing Ustadhs to focus on what matters most. With AI managing information delivery, teachers can dedicate more time to deep discussions and spiritual growth. The classroom becomes a space for critical thinking and character development. AI acts as a teaching assistant, not a replacement. Ustadhs can use technology to create better resources and reach wider audiences. The goal is to enhance learning, not replace the human element. The Ustadh remains the guide, using technology to serve their mission. This partnership challenges us to rediscover the true value of our teachers. The future is about empowered Ustadhs working alongside technology. Let AI serve, while the Ustadh nurtures hearts and souls. In an age of information overload, what we need most is wisdom, not just data. Anyone can find answers online, but information without guidance can mislead or overwhelm. Compassionate, wise leaders are essential to help us make sense of it all. Ustadhs must be both spiritually grounded and technologically aware. They need to understand AI's strengths and dangers, guiding the community to use it responsibly. A teacher disconnected from the digital world can't reach today's youth. But technology must be balanced with deep faith and sincerity. True solutions come from the Quran and Sunnah, not algorithms. The warmth and empathy of a teacher are more valuable than ever. We must support our Ustadhs in learning both traditional and modern skills. Seek teachers who offer both knowledge and wisdom. Only then can we navigate today's complexities with the timeless light of faith. The path forward is balance, embracing technology without compromising our values. AI can assist with learning and research, making knowledge more accessible. But AI is a tool, not a teacher, a servant, not a guide. Our ultimate guidance comes from Allah's revelation, transmitted through human hearts. AI cannot possess taqwa, sincerity, or understand a student's spiritual state. Use technology to help you, but connect your heart to a human teacher. Learn from their character and seek their personal advice. Let AI be your assistant, but let the Ustadh be your mentor. This combination preserves the soul of our tradition while benefiting from modern tools. Our journey to Allah is a journey of the heart. No technology can replace sincere intention and spiritual guidance. Embrace what is beneficial, but hold tightly to the timeless principles of faith. The most important connection is always between your heart and its creator.